Welcome to the LuxCloud User Guide. This video shows how distributors and installers create end-user accounts on LuxCloud. As a distributor or installer, log in and click Try New Page. Tap your profile. Then click the distributor, installer. Click Create End User to create an account for your end users. Ask the end user for their commonly used email and verification code, then complete the registration. After registration, send the username and password to the end user. They can download LuxCloud and log in. You can also share a QR code or link for end users to register. End users need to download the LuxCloud app. After receiving the QR code or registration link, open it to start registration. Create your username and password. Enter your email and verification code, then tap Next. After registration, the end user account will be automatically bound to the installer code. If you encounter any issues during registration, please contact LuxPower Tech Official After Sales Service.